In this video, we are going to discuss the nature, scope, and various dimensions of liberty, which is the most important quality of human being. We will also be discussing liberal perspective on liberty, particularly the early debate. To begin with, liberty is the distinctive quality of man. Man demands freedom and then evolves institutions to secure it. However, in reality, we have not been able to do it successfully. Yet, we haven't been able to rise fully above the rule of the animal kingdom. Right from the beginning, as Marxists will say, that society has been divided into privileged and underprivileged sections of society because one set of men assumed power over the lives of the others, and the privileged classes have always stood in defense of the status quo. Subject classes are rising in revolt against injustice and oppression. They are challenging the special privileges of the dominant classes, and this is where they are raising the slogan of liberty to press their claim of equality. So, if anything behind social change is firmly standing, that is liberty.